Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie-Laurence. I am a singing teacher and singer, and welcome to your 5-minute vocal warm-up. This quick vocal warm-up is designed to wake up your voice. Perfect before singing your songs. Let's get started. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss other vocal warm-ups. Let's start with Ma Mi Mi Mo Mo. Ma Mi Mi Mo Mo. Inhale. Ma Mi Mi Mo Mo. Ma Mi Mi Mo Mo. Ma Mi Mi Mo Mo. Nice work. Keep going. Ma Mi Mi Mo Mo. Nice. Ma Mi Mi Mo Mo. Keep going. Ma Mi Mi Mo Mo. Ma Mi Mi Mo Mo. Last one. Great job. Let's continue with lip trills. Take a breath. Nice. Great job. Keep going. Last one. Now let's work on nasal resonance with the word sing. We are going to practice NG sound with the word sing, and we hold the NG. Sing, sing, sing. You should feel the vibration in your nose. Sing. Sing, sing, sing. Let's go. Sing, sing, sing. Sing, sing, sing. Sing, sing. don't push. Sing, sing, sing. Last one. Sing, sing, sing. Great job. Now let's twang. Are you ready? Let's go. Nay, 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 nay. Inhale. Nay, 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 nay. Nice work. If it's too high, stop the exercise. It's okay. Nay, 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 nay. Don't push. If it's too high, stop the exercise. Last one. Nice. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Last one. Nay, 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 nay. If you enjoyed this vocal warm-up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share to your fellow singers. You can check out my other vocal warm-ups, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.